his hectic schedule. Our guest speaker is an alumnus of this school and a native of our very own barangay. He belonged to a very simple, humble, and hard-working family. He was born on the 28th of August, 1978. Wow! At neighborhood Batu, Camarines Sur. He started his military career in the Armed Forces of the Philippines on the 16th of August, 1978 with the Elite Forces Scout Ranger, Philippine Army, as enlisted personnel. Prior to his present designation, he served as a rifleman with the 18th Scout Ranger Company based at President Quirino, Sultan Kudarat, Cotabato Province. When he was called to active duty and into regular force of the Philippine Army, he served as a lead scout of the team, the 18th Scout Ranger Company, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, based at the province of Cotabato from the year 1999 to 2003. After his term as an enlisted man of 4 months, he was promoted to another rank, Subject EP. Immediately designated and assigned as team leader of the team of the 18th Scout Ranger Company from 2003 to 2004 on the same company. In 2024, our guest of honor was reassigned to Doctrine Training School to conduct basic infantry course at Trado, Philippine Army, and he graduated the career course after 3 months and again was designated as the platoon sergeant of the 18th Scout Ranger Company, 2SRB, FSRR, SOCOM, PA, I think this is Philippine Army, in 18 SRC that caters the platoon sergeant operational activities in the whole province of Hulu-Sulu, Basilan, and Tawi-Tawi from 2004 to 2006. After which he served as platoon sergeant of the said company. He was immediately designated as company operation and subsequently designated as Company S1, Admin NCO, in addition to his duty and responsibilities. Our guest of honor and speaker was also reassigned to 2S RBN FSRR SOCOM PA and served as Assistant Battalion Operation NCO in Lanao Province in February 2007. Our guest of honor and speaker was assigned at Georgia, Hawaii. Training school to conduct his career course of preliminary leadership course with the preparation of senior NCO. In addition to his numerous designation and function, he was also designated as the chief clerk and first sergeant of force commander in Haiti. Solocom commander, chief of staff in the armed forces of the Philippines, and also the supervisor of all ROTC unit, which caters the reservist and the ROTC unit of Cavite Province. Our speaker is also a recipient of numerous and various awards and decorations for his combat accomplishment and administrative awards, including Plaque of Appreciations, certificates of recognitions and commendations from local and government unit and civilian sectors and military institutional operations, administrative and academic excellence. He was also a member of the Pinagsabitan Lodge number 26 of three accepted Master of the Philippines and former president of Dasmariñas City Philippine Eagles Club, and among his significant awards includes numerous like